like, you know what? That's good. I'm good. I'm good.
Comes up.
It was good. That's what I like when you say, yeah, and they're like,
You take prisoners? Comes up.
I did that one time, dude. Gun on my knees, put the gun up in the air, drop my mag out right there.
Yeah.
Did the whole, don't kill me.
Where's my pipe smoking buddy, man? I haven't seen that dude in a while.
The crew hasn't come out in a while. I haven't seen them since November.
I like that guy.
I forgot his name.
He's got a restaurant.
Someone got married too, but I think it's not him.
Yeah, he's got a restaurant in Seoul.
Yeah.
Like I got his card somewhere. Kept meaning to go out and see him. I mean, me and that dude, serious bullshit.
Oh yeah, I know.
Shit, I think one day we stayed here. We talked for like 6 games. We just stood here bullshitting, smoking a pipe. Then everybody's like, oh, time to go. And we're like, oh, okay.